Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, in a PGImer in last year question, a question was asked, gonorrhea becomes resistant to which of the following in last decade? In last decade, to which of the following is gonorrhea became resistant to? 1. Gonorrhea became resistant to penicillin G. It has become resistant to tetracycline, and it has become resistant to ciprofloxacin. Okay, thank you for watching.
Thank you and thank you for watching.